Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Universal Review. We have brought something interesting today. As we know, there are more than meets the eye. Some certain things, some activities that science could never explain properly. Those things spark so much curiosity in our mind. Today, we are lighting up about such a mysterious topic. The crop circles. Do you know what is this? Do you ever heard about it? So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Crop circle, crop formation or corn circle is a pattern created by flattening a crop field, usually a cereal. This term was first coined by Colin Andrews in early 1980s. Tanner Eddies, a professor of physics at Truman State University, stated that crop circles are within the range sort of things done in hoaxes. Although origin of crop circles are never been nailed properly, but fringe theorists suggest various obscure natural causes or alien activities. Unlike other mysterious phenomena such as psychic power, ghost, or Bigfoot, there is no doubt that crop circles are real. Many people believe that these circles have been reported for centuries. Their primary piece of evidence is a woodcut from 1678 that appears to show a field of oat stalks laid out in a circle. Some take this to be a first-hand witness of a crop circle, but a little historical investigation shows otherwise. The woodcut actually illustrated what in folklore is called mowing devil. According to that legend, an English farmer told a worker with whom he was feuding that he would rather pay the devil himself to cut his oat field than the worker and the amount of fees he demanded. The devil is indeed Satan himself, complete with his signature horns and tail, can be seen in the woodcut holding a scythe. Before 20th century, there were evidences which relates with crop circles. British naturalist Robert Plot reported rings or arcs in mushrooms and proposed airflow as a cause. But that report was later linked up with the crop circles by meteorologist Terence Midden. In 1880, an amateur scientist, John Rand Capron, wrote a letter to the editor of famous Nature magazine describing how a recent storm had created several circles of flattened crops in field. But first complete crop circle was found around 1960s, and interestingly, in that same year, at a small town named Tully, situated at Queensland in Australia, and some places in Canada, were repeatedly reporting of UFO sightings and circular formation in swamps and sugarcane fields. For example, on 8th August 1967, 3 circles were found in Alberta, Canada. Department of National Defense investigators concluded that it was artificial, but couldn't explain who and how that were made. But most famous case was 1966 Tully saucer's nest. A farmer said he saw a flying saucer rise up from a swampy area and fly away. When he went to investigate that area, he saw a roughly circular area of debris which was 32 feet long by 25 feet wide and apparently flattened reeds and grass in clockwise position, which he amusingly stated made by alien spacecraft. That incident referred in press as flying saucer's nest. Although that story was a UFO report, rather than a crop circle report. After 1970s, many crop circles were appearing throughout English countryside. In United Kingdom, these circles appeared near roads, areas of medium dense population, and cultural heritage monuments like Stonehenge or Avebury. But during 1990s, number and complexity of circles increased dramatically. In July 1996, one of the world's most complex and spectacular crop circles appeared in England, across a highway from mysterious Stonehenge monument in the Wiltshire countryside. Since the start of 21st century, crop circles were increased in size more than before, and some featuring as many as 2,000 different shapes, some incorporating mathematical and scientific characters. In 1991, self-professed pranksters Duff Bower and Dave Corley made headlines claiming that they were responsible for all circles made prior to 1987 and more than 200 circles in 1978 to 1991. But investigators stated that most of them were impossible for being made by human hand. Those circle formations were usually appeared overnight, but some reported to appearing during daytime. But there is really something strange out there. Electronic instrument often goes wrong. Some people reported unusual tingling, headaches, or feeling rather ill beside those circles. Crop circle theorist Andy Thomas and his colleagues suspected 3 small glowing balls of light moving over the circles and suddenly disappeared. Some investigators saw strange dark shadows moving over crop circles, and they were very quick. They couldn't give any reasonable explanation about what that was, but they reported those shadowy shapes were totally soundless and very much airy. Some crop circles contains direct message in it, in forms of binary codes and symbols. After decoding, we got various messages such as believe, there is good out there, beware the bearer of false gifts and their broken promises, we oppose deception, and many more. Crop circle mysteries have inspired countless books, blogs, researchers, fan groups, even Hollywood films. Despite having been studied for decades, the question still remains: who or what is actually making them? What is their reason? Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please like and share our video. And if you are new viewer, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Next time, we will be back with more interesting facts.